Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this printer. The printer name is Canon Pixma MG2470 printer. Now we are going to do unboxing of this printer only. Actually guys, I have purchased this printer in Flipkart at rupees a cost of 3000, and this printer will support both black and color. Actually you can see here's the ink cartridge capability. They are mentioning here standard 745 black and 746 color, and high capacity unit means 745 XL and 746 XL color. Actually it's good. Actually guys, this wired based type printer only. Actually there is no wireless connections there. Actually this is a wired type printer only. You can able to print by using connecting to the computer through wired. It's not wireless. And guys, in this printer there's three things is there: print, copy and scan. You can able to do these things in this printer guys. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, let's come on. Now it's time to do unboxing. And one thing I need to tell, it's a ink cartridge type guys. It's just kind of inkjet printer actually. Let's come on guys, it's now time to do an unboxing. Come on, just now I'm going to remove the tapes. Yeah, removed. You can see guys, just I'm removing. Here's some information they're providing here. Just keep this aside. Let's see what they are given. Okay, these are all the directions, how to insert the ink cartridge, like the things they are provided in this paper. Actually you can see, if you have any doubt means you can see this guide how to use actually. Let's go on. Now let's take this out. What is this? Okay, you can see guys, here's the cartridge. This is the black cartridge, and here's the color cartridge, like you can see. Just keep this aside, and you can see guys, here's the power cable. Actually keep this aside, and here's the connector which you need to connect between the printer and the computer. You can use this USB type cable actually for connecting. Okay guys, these are all the things they have provided inside this. And okay, now it's now time to take this out, this printer actually. Let's go on. Just need to keep this box flat, and we need to push it out. Actually guys, this printer is useful for your home purpose, and if you are having small office setup means you can use this printer guys for a small office and home use and all. And okay, let's take this. Here's the CD-ROM. Okay, loading CD-ROM. Just we need to take the CD outside. Okay. Let's put all the things here again. Okay. You can see there's the CD providing. This is setup CD actually. Leave this aside, and safety and important information is just like a user manual. If you need means you can read. So the paper size is too large actually. Okay. Okay, and here's the warranty card guys. There's a printer. Okay, let's take this out. Okay guys, I'm going to take this box out, and you can see, just take this slowly. Okay. Take this. Okay, just we have taken this out, both the side of this thermocol, and here you can see guys, is the printer of Canon Pixma. Actually it's good, and here you can see here's the buttons they are providing. You can able to control. Here you can see the black and color. Here's the buttons they are given. Here's the options. You can able to choose whether you need black means just click on black, and if you need color means just click on color to take a print. And the stop button is there to stop the process, and here's the power button is there guys. And okay, I think these are all the indicators of the thing, black ink and coloring. That's the color they are providing. Light, I think light will glow, I'm not sure, just I need to turn on, and I will check that and I will let you know. And okay guys, this is the printer guys. Actually just open it out. You can see it's good, it's good, yeah. And okay, here we need to insert the paper. Actually this is A4 size only guys. Here I'm going to remove this tape actually. Here we can able to insert it. I think it seems, here you can see here's the cartridge. We need to insert it, black and white. They are mentioned here itself actually. Here you can see here's the black color and color and black. They are mentioned here actually. Some kind of sticker is there. Okay guys, just I need to close it up. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt, just ask in the below comment section guys. Definitely I will reply as soon as possible. And okay guys, please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.